What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. First of all, a huge thank you for 26k on my channel. This means so much to me guys. Like all the love, the constant love, support from you guys means so much to me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Geeta. I do a lot of beauty related videos on YouTube and on Instagram. I do makeup tutorials, product reviews, honest reviews, and yeah, all of that good stuff. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Today's video is a Nykaa sale haul. I bought a lot of random stuff, a lot of lipsticks, so there's a lot of amazing shades in there. So make sure you watch the video till the end to see all of that. I bought some amazing affordable items as well. So this is going to be a long video. Make sure you grab a snack because there's so much to show you guys, and let's get started. So the first product is from LA Colors. This is their 3D blush and contour palette. So this is in the shade Lovebird. I think this was on 50% off. I don't really remember, but I remember paying something between like 200 to 300. It's a very pretty shade, something that I would definitely wear. I can use this to highlight under my eyes, like just like a banana powder, but this is more like a bronzer slash blush color for me. So the next one is from Rimmel London. They also had discounts on some of their products. So I picked up the Rimmel Match Perfection 24-hour foundation. It has a couple of amazing things written on the package, and it's supposed to be a hydrating foundation. The shade I picked up is True Beige. It looks like a decent match for my skin tone. And I also picked up this bronzer from Rimmel. This is in the shade 0 to 5 Sun Glow. Look at the design here, it's so beautiful. So that's the color of the bronzer. It has a very tiny hint of like shimmer, some radiance to it. It's not like totally matte, and it's supposed to be a waterproof bronzer, so let's see that. So with the Rimmel purchase, I got this Exaggerate lip pencil free. This is in the shade Peachy Beachy, and I've tried their lip pencils before. They are very creamy, very pigmented. Let's swatch this for you guys. Oh my god, look at that. That's such a beautiful, just as the name says, a peachy coral shade. So the next one is from K Beauty. They recently launched a set of loose powders like setting powders and highlighter powders. So I just picked up one which is in the shade Banana. This is how it looks like, and you can see the shade right here, and this is how it is on the inside. I'm not going to open it yet. The shade seems to be a good one for me, especially for baking and all of that. You know my obsession with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Like that's my holy grail loose powder. It's affordable and it just looks amazing on the skin. So let's see if this performs well. The next ones are from a brand I've been really wanting to try, but everything from the brand was like sold out. But one of their cult products, I managed to grab one which I had been wanting for a long time. So these are from Ruby's Organics, and I picked up their cream blush and cream highlighter. That's the cream blush. The shade is Poppy Pink, and it's beautiful shade. I have been into cream blushes a lot lately, and this is totally my kind of color. It does feel a little like a lip balm texture, but I'm really interested to try this out. This is the Illuminator, and again very creamy in texture. Oh wow, look at that color. Let's try this out. Wow, it's so pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold shade, and it has such a beautiful sheen to it. So there are a couple of skincare items, and these are the Hip Hop Charcoal Nose Strip. I tried this out recently and I loved it so much, you guys. I have posted it a lot on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should do it right now because I post a lot of content there. This removes so much of gunk from your pores, you guys. It's one of the best nose strips I've tried. So the next product is this really interesting one that I've never tried before. This is from O3 Plus. This is the Pedilogix Hand and Foot Cuticles Manicure Pedicure Kit. It is a single-use kit. I was very intrigued when I saw this, and it has like the steps written on it on how to do. So it's an at-home manicure pedicure get very curious to see this. Let me know if you want me to do like a first impressions video trying out this one. The next product is from Dot & Key Skincare. I've never tried their products before. This is their Hydro Peel Glow Potion with 10% AHA, 2% PHA exfoliating serum. This is basically a chemical exfoliator. I have seen a lot of influencers use this and I really wanted to give this a try. So this is what it looks like. Supposed to use it like up to twice a week after cleansing and toning, and then rinse off with cold water after 10 minutes. And always follow with a sunscreen. So I'm very curious to try it. If you have tried this before, let me know your experience in the comment section. The next product is a very affordable highlighter from this brand called Swiss Beauty. I think I have something from Swiss Beauty. I think it's a blush palette. I don't really remember. But it is their jelly highlighter. I've never tried a jelly highlighter before. This is what it looks like. Look at that texture and look at the color. So that's the shade. Wow, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful and it feels really nice. The texture feels good. So then I picked up a brow product from Etude House. This is their drawing eyebrow pencil. It has the spoolie on one end and it has the angled tip on the other, and the color seems to be quite nice. It's dark brown and seems to be a great match for my eyebrows. So the next one is a hair styling tool and I'm very excited to try it out. So it is this one from Havells. This is their brush straightener for voluminous hair in minutes. So this is the outer packaging. This is what it looks like. Look at that. I love the color. And these are the bristles. It is supposed to be a keratin smooth straightening brush. So the word keratin smooth made me very intrigued to try this out. I'm planning to do a first impressions video on my YouTube channel, trying this out and see if this really works. If you are wanting to see that, let me know in the comment section. My camera battery is about to die, so let's quickly move on to the amazing lip products that I bought. So I bought one lipstick from the brand Spectra Cosmetics. All of their shades were totally sold out and just managed to get one shade. So this is what the packaging looks like. These are matte lipsticks. That's the shade, very pretty. It's called Alpha. That's the shade right there. It's a very pretty so my camera just stopped recording in between. I didn't know that, but I also picked up two liquid lipsticks from this brand Flower Beauty, which I haven't tried before. I picked up two shades. The one on top is called Nude Blush and this one is called Melon Pop. Look at Melon Pop, it's such a beautiful bright color. And then I picked up two liquid lipsticks from this brand called Bella Voste. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. I've never seen this brand before on Nykaa. It had some discount and again I picked up two shades. I landed up picking up a brighter pink again. Wow, this shade though is so gorgeous. So those are the two colors. I have dark fawn at the bottom. What a beautiful shade. The one on top is called Rose Pop. Again, a very pretty shade of pink. It's dark fuchsia pink. It's a very beautiful shade. I'm really excited to try this out in my Insta tutorials maybe. So yeah guys, these were all the products that I recently picked up from Nykaa. They came in like different orders because I placed orders either during the sale or before the sale. So they were like different set of products that I clubbed in one haul. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know which were your favorite products from this haul, and if you want me to do a first impressions video using a lot of these products, please comment below. I would love to do that. And if you did like this, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching if you have watched it till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.